GameStop. Okay, I don't remember doing this, but I did do it at one point, I guess. Look at this perfect setup here. See this trade filling out, but I'll delete this for now because we don't need this. This is old stuff. And we will break down the new technicals. So GameStop, bearish, below this moving average. Looking at a monthly aspect, yeah, also pretty bearish. You can see last month's super engulfing. This month also doing the same, but seems to be holding above 18 bucks. So I think this is still a good short. I just don't think that there's a good position to get in on now. I don't think there's enough room because it's already at $20, so I don't think it's going to go past 18. So I mean, you could still get that $2 worth of range. This is, it allegedly moves $10 a month, but that's pretty doubtful. Last month was only 3. Month before that was 7.5. Month before that was 6. So yeah, like I would not be shooting for more than $4 or $5 in range this month. But I would suggest that 18. It is going to 18. So, and then as far as like a monthly, the high for this month, like for August right now, is about 22 bucks. So I do like that. We'll keep that at 22. Yeah, that's bang on. Okay, so yeah, I think from $22 down to 18, I think that's the move for sure. All the way till the end of September, or sorry, the end of August, the beginning of September. Here's your marker, something like that. I think it's, yeah, just straight through. You can even see today pulled back a tiny bit, but huge rejection. There's still 3.5 hours left in the day, but it's not even pulling back versus yesterday's huge sell-off. So I do think this is still a solid short down to $18, and then maybe consider a buy position then. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty iffy too because price is way below this moving average. It's super bearish. I probably would not take a buy. However, this is a zone of heavy resistance, so it's a good chance it gets bought up at that zone. But then we'll probably, I mean, if it breaks this zone, it's going down quite a bit, and it very well could break this zone. So as of right now, I think you're good to short this. I think if price pulls back up a little bit too, if it retraces a little bit back up to about 21 bucks, I mean, that's a definitely good short as well. Something like this I think is perfect. If price decides to pull back up to 21 bucks, or you can sell it now at 20, that's totally fine. And then hold it to about 18 bucks and then consider the entry. Consider if you want to take your profits, or if you want to hold it. If it looks like there's a ton of momentum going into this zone and this zone's not going to hold it, then I would just keep my position, keep my short position, because if that's the case, it's probably going down to here at about 16.50. So yeah, if it breaks this area of resistance at 18 bucks, it's going down to 16.50. So that's what I would do for GameStop. I think it's a definite good short now. I think it's a good short at 21 bucks. I think it's a good short all month. Just depends on your risk tolerance and where you want to enter. And if you want a dollar average in, you can do that. There's a lot of scenarios you could take, but I do think it's a good short all the way down for the rest of the month to 18 bucks. So that is GameStop.